what's
like
gonna happen.
this
Wait,
right
what was
here,
that?
time of night,
Never
it
mind.
makes it
Alright,
hard
let's go ahead
to see
and look
because your
that
brights
way.
don't show a whole
Because it
lot, and
looks like
the sun
something's
is
happening.
not bright enough to show you.
Like, is there lightning happening? Or just what's happening? So, I keep seeing this thing that keeps appearing on my thing, so whenever I post this, I think I might be able to see what that was. Guys, see,
Who lives over here?
so hard.
That was with Layla's.
In where
Layla's daughter built that house up there for
over, I think,
Now, I don't know if she ever moved back or not.
Is this livable
you
here?
see,
Are they
I'm
done? They've got all those
I
fancy lights
post
and shit
these stuff
outside. Out in the
because
back,
Yeah,
it's
running along there.
pretty.
yeah, they've got that ready.
Oh man, we can't see any light.
Now does that deck
So I
go
work
out
so
down to
hard on these videos.
water?
And if you want to become just like me, you are gonna learn. I'm gonna teach you in another video how to do this.
I mean, you know that because
Like whenever I'm older, you see, I'm just like 8 years old and I know how to post videos, but I can teach you how later. So, see, let's look behind us because that's somebody following us, so we can really see what's over there.
But that was that.
Oh, wait, this is
Kim
way.
was already probably out of the house, wasn't she?
See, it's raining, unfortunately. I just wanted that to happen. So, you haven't seen any lightning. This is gonna be like a 10-minute video.
That didn't have nothing to do with her.
But wasn't that because she, what Kimberly kind of got in touch with her dad?
And I'm gonna show you something
Yeah.
incredible. If we don't get any lightning stuff,
Why that they didn't have
we
nothing to do.
will
She didn't have
maybe
anything to do with
try
it. Yeah, she did.
to get something else.
Get in touch
I
with
thought
her
that
dad.
that was like what
We might be able to
stirred
get like
up
a
everything.
tornado or
Because Debbie
something,
was
like
so
what happened to a tornado. So a
mad
tornado
about
happened
Because
just
her
today.
dad didn't have anything to do with her, really,
a
right?
few hours
Until
ago.
she got older and like
So-
reached out to him.
It's basically just like a cool,
He wasn't like
you know,
completely out of her life.
it's not like it's gonna be that cool. It's like an interesting thing.
And now that
Now
might
you see, I think this might be the goodest ever. So if we
Is
saw,
that the one that we were just by?
I'm gonna keep my tablet right there.
But I don't know if that's I don't know why I'm
What was
working
that?
over
There's
radio.
not any
Oh,
rigs
look.
over
Was that
here
was that
anymore, right?
lightning? I think that was
Well,
lightning.
they're done finished.
I think I saw lightning
But these two
because I see it in the sky.
down here by
Whose property is that right there on?
this.
Is that me?
That over there? No.
Or is that
That's
really
across the road,
happening?
I think. But again, I imagine
It's
it'd be a
happening.
workover rig.
Is this an actual road? Or is that just their driveway?
Oh wait, I know what's happening. That's not lightning. That's my mom's like, yeah, I don't know what to
Well,
call
that's a driveway.
That looks like
I mean,
lightning.
you drove the driveway.
Is that lightning literally happening in the sky?
So there's not a through
I think that's
road
lightning
in
happening.
between here and wherever. Hello.
I'm coming back over here to 192.
So don't worry about that.
Okay, I'm gonna go down
I
here
think we
on
actually saw
Draper's
lightning.
Corner, and then I'll come and
See
turn
that
back
in the sky?
on 192 and
That
come up
has to be
from there.
lightning or something.
Yeah, I don't
Is that in the sky?
really know what
It
this
looks
is,
like it's lightning.
but there's a lot of lights over here.
Oh, what is that?
I was
It's lightning.
telling Mom I figured
There's no way that's happening.
lights and shit. It was probably
Stop.
Cimarron or OTC, whatever electric company.
What is happening in the sky? It looks like it's happening.
Well, what about,
Is my tablet
I'm not
good
sure, I
at
guess
this?
it's
Like,
holding a workover rig.
I think I
maybe,
might
but
need to go to the
not a, no, he did not. He said
side,
they were
or I think I
working
actually
it,
just saw
you know,
lightning
like
in the sky
working
that
it.
just happened.
Well, I don't
But some
look at
good
that
lightning
button here.
happened in the sky, so
I don't know.
However, I'm over here and I don't see a damn thing. So I don't know what road they're on.
Quit touching up there. Don't do that.
and
Here.
that was like there's no way that's but that keeps happening in the same spot.
Who was
So I-
talking about it? The news?
I see it myself.
Yeah, I was on the off hills.
Let's see if this is actually happening because I'm not. Bro, I keep getting shocked over what is.
He was living in that barn, wasn't he?
Do
Is
what?
that like my mom?
Jim Garner, the guy that goes in the helicopter.
Oh, yeah.
Like I keep seeing lightning. Is that lightning or not?
Oh.
Whoa!
I wish we would have heard that. Bubby was asking about the helicopter.
Well, you can see that. Beyond one.
If
Or two, I mean.
Oh, there's the
no,
bunch.
because I swear lightning hit.
There's a what? There's what?
I don't know what they were doing there.
Okay, I think this one.
I guess what if there's
Well,
like,
look behind us a minute.
I don't know. I don't see there's Tim.
Because what was that dark spot? Was that
I'm almost
a tornado?
I'm gonna even come down here. We've
Just,
covered this whole
You
road.
know,
There's
weird
nothing.
that these lightning strikes keep happening.
Did you want to go down there and get pictures or what?
Oh, no, that's fine.
Like, if this is like
Isn't it just
whatever
that
it
one
is.
over rig you were
So,
talking about?
I know
That's
you
not the
haven't
rig.
seen me actually
Huh?
do, like, see my face in this video. That's, whoa!
I'm about to come up on Fern Morris.
Is that?
Yeah,
Is
we're
that right?
the headlights that are down here
Oh, wait.
fixing to
That's,
pass that road.
that's bad.
I'll just go on home.
Whoa! What was that?
They don't know their roads from the home.
Whoa. That was lightning. There's no way that was lightning. Bro, I swear
Yeah,
those.
I don't know. What they
I
can
swear those. Whoa,
They said there was a rig that was down.
dude, look, those lightning
Did they
over
show
there.
the road like it was a dirt road or something? Maybe it was further down
No, that's close.
on the other side of Calumet Road.
Well, where is
Let's cover that up.
The only, not a bridge or
I
a
don't
rig,
understand.
it
What was that?
travel trailer.
Whoa.
Road.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. So make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
Amazing, they got it cleaned up so fast.